Wall Street energy, signs that will win big in 2026. Money does not come to the smartest. It comes to those who keep up with the pace. In 2026, the market will be nervous. March will throw up a provocation. May will force a rethink of strategy. August will show who was playing and who was preparing. And in October, some people will suddenly find themselves in a completely different league. This is not about luck, it's about character under pressure. If you are curious whether your psychology can withstand big money, stay and write in the comments what winning big means to you. The first to enter the big game will be Leo. Representatives of this sign will not wait for permission. In March, they will enter aggressively. They will take leverage where others are afraid. April will test their strength. The market will falter. Some players will cash out. Leo will not panic. They will redistribute capital. They will review their positioning. And they will enter again, this time with risk control. Their strength is not impulse. Their strength is dominance. In May, they will take over a sector that has been underestimated. Not because it is trendy, but because they see the scale. Lions work on a large scale. They think in terms of markets, not deals. June will show the first results. Momentum will begin to build. Competitors will try to push them out. Lions will not enter into chaos. They will strengthen their position. They will close weak points. They will add leverage only where they have complete control. And here comes the first peak of tension. July. The market will overheat. Someone will go all in. Leo will not lose their head. They will lock in part of their profits. They will leave part of it in the game. Balance, a cool strategy. August will be a month of demonstrating strength, not through noise, through numbers. The lion will take a position that is difficult to attack. They will become a player to be reckoned with, not emotion, structure. September will bring a second wave. The competition will go on the offensive. And here's the important point. The lion will not defend itself. They will expand the scale. They will go on the offensive. They will add capital where others are cutting back. Are you ready to play the same way? Not for the sake of winning, but for the sake of control. October will be a point of fixation. They will record large profits. Not all of them. They will leave some in the system. November will be a strategic pause. Redistribution, new positioning, preparation for the final push. And December will close the cycle. Leo will not just earn money. They will establish themselves as the center of gravity for capital. This will not be accidental success. It will be the result of a decision to enter, hold out, and not lose dominance. The next sign will play out completely differently, and there the logic will be the opposite. Next in this game will be Virgo, not with fanfare, not with loud statements. In April, representatives of this sign will not rush into the market. They will observe. They will collect data. They will study volatility. They will calculate risk to the third decimal place. Where Leo takes scale, Virgo will take precision. May will be their entry point, not the first wave, the second, when the hype subsides and the numbers become clearer. They are not hunting for hype. They are hunting for inefficiency. Their advantage is analytics. Their strategy is positioning without unnecessary movements. June will show the first shift. Virgo will add leverage cautiously, without excitement. Every step will be calculated. Every deal is part of the system. And here is the first turning point. July will try to break discipline. The market will accelerate. Someone will want to increase risk. Virgo representatives will not do this. They will reduce exposure where they see overheating. They will leave capital in strong segments. This will look like caution. In reality, it will be control. August will bring rewards. Those who chased momentum will start to lose. Virgos will record growth, not maximum growth, but stable growth. September will be their month. The market will enter a correction phase, and this is where analytics will become a weapon. Virgo will enter where others are leaving. They will buy assets at a discount without emotion. The second peak of tension will be in October. The pressure will intensify. Information noise, panic, Virgo will not react to headlines. They will look at the fundamentals, at cash flow, at the debt structure, at long-term value. They will add capital where there is a real basis. And it is in November that the acceleration will begin. The momentum they have been waiting for will kick in. Slowly, but surely. Representatives of this sign will not be loud winners. They will become quiet owners of positions that will begin to grow. December will close the cycle, not with fireworks, but with results. Clear growth, controlled risk, a system that works. Their win will not be spectacular. It will be mathematical. And here's the question. Will you have enough patience to play like this without adrenaline, but with results? The next strategy will be even slower and even stricter in discipline. Taurus. After cold analysis, those who do not like to rush will take the stage, and this will be the third strategy of the big game. Representatives of this sign will not chase quick profits. In April, they will not rush. They will form a basic position. Without noise, without impulsive leverage, May will be a month of accumulation. Not hype, but structure. Taurus will work through capital that is not afraid of time. They will choose assets with a foundation. Those that will survive volatility, those that have real cash flow, their strength is endurance, their risk is patience. June will bring the first wave of growth. Others will begin to fix. Taurus will not. They will remain in position. They think in terms of quarters, not days. July will try to tempt with quick deals. The market will be noisy. Representatives of this sign will not succumb. They will add capital where they see long-term advantage. No panic, no excitement. And here is the first turning point. August will bring a decline, small but loud. Taurus will not leave. They will increase their share. This will be their moment. They will buy when most are selling. September will be a period of consolidation. Positions will even out. Momentum will return. But for Taurus, this is only confirmation of correct positioning. October will show the strength of their strategy. Those who played aggressively will start to lose due to excessive risk. Taurus will remain in the black, slowly but steadily. And here comes the second peak of tension. November will open up opportunities for scaling, not because of excitement, because of redistribution. They will enter a new segment, cautiously but confidently. They will add leverage only where the fundamentals allow. December will close the cycle, not with a flourish, but with dominance through stability. Taurus will not be the hero of the headlines. They will become the owners of assets that will continue to grow. Their victory will not be loud. It will be structural. And to be honest, this is a strategy for those who think in terms of a lifetime, not a season. There is another sign ahead. There, everything will be the opposite. Speed instead of stability. Information instead of fundamentals. Gemini. And finally, the fourth model, the one that will not wait, will not accumulate, will not wait for corrections. Gemini will enter 2026 at speed. In March, they will not form a basic position. They will start testing the market. Short deals, flexible positioning, minimal risk at the start, maximum information. Their main asset is data. Their leverage is speed of decision-making. April will be a month of filtering. They will cut off weak areas. They will leave only those segments where there is real momentum. Not fundamentals, not long-term history, but movement. May will accelerate the pace. Gemini will increase the frequency of entries. Small capital, many attempts. They will work as information traders. News, reaction, signal, action. And here is the first peak of tension. June will be tough. Volatility will increase. Some deals will go into the red. But representatives of this sign will not get stuck in their positions. They will exit quickly. They will record the loss. And they will re-enter. Their advantage is their lack of attachment. July will be the moment of breakthrough. When the market makes a sharp move, Gemini will already be inside. They will increase leverage. They will add capital. They will take maximum advantage of the momentum. August will bring the second wave, and this is where most will start to lose their way. There will be too much information, Noise, panic, conflicting signals. Gemini will not try to control everything. They will cut out the excess. They will work with what is moving. September will be a period of aggressive scaling. They will not hold positions for years. They will roll over capital several times a month. This is a different logic of the game. October is the second turning point. The market will change direction sharply. Those who thought long-term will not have time to rebuild. Gemini will rebuild in a day. November will show dominance through adaptation. They will not become asset owners. They will become flow managers. And December will close the cycle with a quick profit-taking. No sentimentality, without expectations, just results. Their gains will not be stable. They will be a series of decisions. Here are 4 strategies, 4 different models: leadership, analytics, endurance, speed. The question is simple: which one can you withstand? If you want to analyze large cycles without illusions, stay. Write which strategy is closer to you, and we will go deeper. The game will not forgive weak discipline. The 4 strategies have already been defined. Which one will you choose? Write, subscribe. The next cycle will be tougher,